Hello again. Welcome to 28 Days of Airstream Renovation, day number 4. And if you thought day 3 was short, day 4 is going to be really short. It is 7 p.m. and I was going to work on the Airstream a little earlier today, but I decided I needed a power nap instead. So that's what I did. We're going to be doing a little tiny bit of stuff though today. So I think I should get started. I'm losing daylight. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you will be notified anytime we release a new video. We've got the 28 Days of Airstream Renovation coming up for the next, 28 days or so. And then after that, it's travels and more renovation, because 28 days is not going to be enough time to get this Airstream where it needs to be. All right, let's get to work. I have decided that today is a glue scraping kind of day. It's a lot of work. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get this down to a point where I can just sand it. Again, the plan is for this whole area that has been covered with glue is going to be covered with a U-shaped dinette that will also go down into like a queen-size bed or a sofa for when we're watching TV. So this whole area is going to be covered with, some kind of upholstery or pillows or something. So I'm going to be painting everything white. It doesn't need to be perfect. I just need to get it to, a level of glue removal that I'm satisfied with. Because perfection is simply not an option in this case. All right, so again, tools. You're definitely going to want some kind of fume mitigating mask, because these fumes are horrible. You don't want to breathe that crap. Gloves. I do 3 pairs of gloves. On one of the hands that is scraping up against the wall more, I do 2 pairs so that it doesn't rub through, because I've had it break several times. And then handy dandy paint scraper. And then I'm using 2 different types of glue removal. I've got 2 kinds of goof off. One is the Pro Strength. Don't look at me. One is the Pro Strength, and the other is the Super Glue Remover. So I'm going to use those and scrape this stuff off. All right, so let's get to this glue removal, eh? First, gotta suit up. Goran should be out here any minute. He also had a really long day at work, so I think he's just going to be working on putting a fresh bolt and some hardware into our awning so that it won't fall apart when we're driving. All right, so if I'm going like this, so this is the hand that I want to double glove because it'll be rubbing up against the wall. Ready for surgery. Now for the super sexy mask. I know all of the men are going to come running, but I'm taken, so you can just stay away. That's hot. Minutes of scraping later, and it looks not at all different. Yay! Hate my life. Goran is playing with boats. Are you playing with boats, dear?
I am. Airstream wanted about $2 million for a bolt and a nut, so I ordered something on Amazon. It's slightly less than that.
So what are you doing?
So there's a little bolt with that protrudes here that this is supposed to hook onto.
Oh, okay.
Just like this side. You can see it on this side, just in reverse.
Oh yeah.
Basically this thing kind of snapped off at this end.
Okay.
But we still have this cap nut, which is good because I couldn't get one of those. At least not easily. So I gotta take it off and remove the rest of the bolt that's stuck in here. So
Sounds like a job for Gory.
that's right.
All right, I'll let you get to it. I'm gonna keep scraping glue.
You are a professional glue scraper.
It's true. Let me know when you're done.
Next week sometime.
No! I'm gonna give the folks an idea of what's gonna be done tomorrow. That should be exciting.
We'll recap, we'll update.
Tomorrow, I am going to sand all of these areas, and then it'll be ready for paint. I'll probably scrape this a bit more, but seems to be taking way too much time. So maybe I'll just sand it really good, just paint over it. I just want to get the fuzzy stuff from the felt off of the walls. Tomorrow, we're also going to be tackling taking out this here handy dandy fan. It is broken. We have a new one, and we are going to try to replace it tomorrow so that we can replace these other two fans. This one in the front and this one in the back on Friday and Saturday. I also am going to Dremel the rest of the holes in here and get them filled tomorrow. I think I'm going to work on this all day because we have a lot of work to do this weekend. It's going to be a dry weekend, so we need to do some outdoor stuff. We're going to try to do everything on the roof. I have a little bit of sealing to do around these little hatches, these little doors here, before the gaskets come, so we can see if we can get that completely waterproof. Let me show you. That guy right there. Bane of my existence, that one. Leaks like crazy. And then after we get the roof stuff done and it's nice and sealed up, we'll spray some water on it, make sure that the little roof leak that I found the other day isn't leaking, and then we can move on to these floors. I'm going to be helping Gorn with that, and maybe we'll be having some help from another person. But I will also be starting to do painting. That's a big thing that needs to be done. All right, I'm going to go check on Gorn. What'd you say?
I said good as new. Just gotta have the right tool for the job.
It's true. Did you fix it?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look at that. You're a craftsman. Bob Vila. Lovely. Mission accomplished. Ready to go inside and watch Lego Masters?
You betcha.
All right, cute. Thank you for joining us on day 4 of the 28 days of Airstream renovation. Be sure to join us tomorrow for day 5, which is going to be much longer and more labor intensive than today. And also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. All right, see you tomorrow.